Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having Chrysler 300, and if you need to find the airbag module fuse, we will explain where it's located in this video today. If you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, do not remove that fuse. Do not work on the airbags because they can kill you. They can lead to potentially really dangerous situation that can result into getting hurt or even killed. So don't work on airbags. We'll explain one thing that can minimize that chance. But if you're not qualified and certified, do not do it. Consider just, in any case, consider that video for entertaining purposes only. Now, that fuse, guys, it's only one fuse, but in some cases we'll actually recommend to test fuses as well, because sometimes you cannot clearly tell if they're burnt or not, and that can cost you quite a bit of time and money later to fix the problem, guys. So stay with us. We'll cover very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We will have multiple videos on Chrysler 300. We'll be taking them apart. We'll make videos about almost everything you can think of, including mechanical, electrical. You can check our channels for more information as well. Yeah, if you need to, guys, buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from. You can save quite a bit of money. You can find all kind of parts, tools, relays, anything will be listed there. So specifically, it doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8 engine. This is a 3.6 engine here. It will work as well. You come to that fuse box that's located right here. You actually, guys, have two tabs right there that you squish towards each other. Pull straight up, put it on the side, and here you have the fuses and relays located right there. So the fuse, guys, that you will need to check, okay? But before you check fuses for airbags or anything like that, again, consider this entertaining video, right? These fuses, guys, actually, you will need to disconnect the car battery for 1 hour before you remove an airbag fuse, because that way the system can discharge some, and what will happen, you have a less likely chance for something to explode. So disconnect the car battery, wait at least 1 hour. On these modern cars, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you that, so you don't burn the electronics, modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars. Check out the link in the description of the video below to a video that will teach you which battery terminal to disconnect first. So with that being said now, guys, okay, the fuse that you will need to check will be that second fuse right here. We're talking about a 10 amp fuse here. That's the fuse that you will need to check, okay? Specifically, okay, for the airbag control module, guys, that 38 10 amp fuse. Now, if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays, parts like that, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Always test fuses and relays to make sure that this is what's causing the problem. We will put another special link to a video that will teach you how to test fuses and relays as well. Check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.